Hello everyone, I am Swati, your insurance coach for ixamBee. Um, I am a insurance fellow and I have 6 years of working experience with HDFC. I'm here to guide you through the preparation of LIC AAO Insurance Specialist exam. As you all know that LIC has recently launched a notification for hiring of administrative officers. The total number of vacancies is some 410, out of which 310 insurance specialist positions are required. So let us go through what all is the exam eligibility, structure, and what are the patterns and what could be the probable syllabus that we can focus on to prepare for this exam. As you can see that the eligibility of this exam is concerned, a minimum of 21 years and a maximum of 30 years is the eligibility criteria. Bachelor's degree in any discipline, along with a fellowship of Insurance Institute of India, life, having minimum work experience of 5 years. If we talk about the important dates, online registration has already started and the last date for online registration is 8th of September. The date of the online exam and the mains exam tentative is 3rd October and 8th November respectively. So let's talk about the exam structure. The overview, as you can see, there are 3 stages. First is the prelims, next is the mains, and the third would be the interview round. As far as the prelims is concerned, there will be 3 sections, reasoning, quant, and English. And for mains, there's a major focus on the professional knowledge part of it, which includes insurance and financial markets. Talking about the prelims exam pattern, there are basically 3 sections, the reasoning, the quant, and English. Total number of questions are 100 and the total marks is 70. The time is 60 minutes. There would be a negative marking per question and sectional and overall qualifying marks are required. Now let's go to the mains exam pattern. The exam duration would be 2 hours 30 minutes total. It will be a single sitting exam. It's split into two parts, which is the objective test and the descriptive test. As you can see that objective test has a sectional timing. However, for descriptive test, it's conducted immediately after the objective test. There is no negative marking in mains exam. However, each section needs to be passed separately and the overall sectional and overall cutoff marks will be decided by LIC. Let's go to the exam pattern for the mains exam. As is quite evident that professional knowledge part has a very high weightage in the mains exam, and that's why we need to prepare well for the professional knowledge part of the mains exam, which includes preparation for the insurance and financial market. So as an offering in ixamBee, we have launched a course for LIC AAO Insurance Specialist 2025, which includes short and crisp notes, 20 full-length mock test papers for prelims, 5 full-length mock tests for mains, descriptive tests with evaluation, a structured study plan, and live doubt sessions along with interview guidance. So you can get more details about it and get yourself enrolled for the intro class, which is scheduled on September 9th at 7 p.m. Talking about the syllabus, so we've designed the syllabus into 8 units, covering the entire concept holistically. So the first part is the principles of insurance and risk management, where we'll be discussing about the principles, the classification of risk, and the role of insurance in managing that risk. Second unit is focusing on the life insurance products, so specifically about the product part, the policy features, the riders, the bonuses, what are the surrender values, and all the technical terms that are basically a part of the life insurance business. The third and fourth unit are the general insurance products and insurance underwriting and claims management, wherein we will be discussing about the kind of products that are there in the general insurance market currently, as also the underwriting and claims management practices that are followed in terms of principles and processes. The next two units are reinsurance and risk sharing concepts, where we'll be discussing about the types of reinsurance, the role of risk management for insurance companies, and international reinsurance practices. The next unit would be IRD regulations and guidelines, where we'd be discussing about the overview of IRDI, regulatory frameworks, and guidelines for agents and intermediaries. The last two units are insurance marketing and distribution channels, where we'd be teaching about the traditional channels, the digital insurance aggregators, regulatory norms for marketing and distribution. And the last unit is about the digital insurance and insurtech, focusing on the use of technology in the insurance field and the bancassurance model and insurtech firms and their impact on the traditional practices. I would so if you'd like this video, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and follow ixamBee for more details and upcoming next session for about the course content and the plan and the strategy that we'll be sharing with our students regarding preparation of this exam. Thank you so much for watching.